Good morning, students. This is Manju Dubey, and today I'm gonna start your next writing section topic, which is article. So before I'll continue this topic, allow me to explain what do you mean by the article, or what is an article. Writing article is a part of extended composition. So in this, writer needs to organize his ideas and viewpoint on the given subject or topic, and point should be supported by the subpoints. So generally, articles narrate the personal experiences of the writer who supports his argument with instances, or you can call it as a with the help of examples. So it involves thinking, collecting ideas, development of thoughts, coherence, and relevance. So there may be various paragraphs, but they should be directly or indirectly related with the topic, whatever topic has been given in the question, or whatever your examiner or your teachers are going to be asked from you. So if in simple language I would have to explain it that what is a article, then in short form we can call it as a article writing needs creativity, good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize the thought. So I have written a simple meaning or definition for you that article is an expression of one's thought on an issue or subject, and it is written in meaningful paragraph. Meaningful paragraph, it means the person who is going to read your article will be easily able to understand it. I mean, as simple as possible. For that, you have to follow some format. First of all, your heading or title. You have to write a very short, nice, or catchy heading. It means which will take the attention of the reader, and your reader would be attracted towards your article. Second is by name. I mean the name of the author or the writer, that who has written this article, was his or her name is. If you want, you can write your name during the time of exam, or any other imaginary name would be given in your question paper, that also you can add it. It's up to you, or you have to choose any imaginary name. You can write XYZ or ABC, it's up to you. Third is your body. Okay, your body, further it will divide between three main paragraph. So I have prepared one for you. Title, I have chosen conserve water. Okay, by name I have written here XYZ. You can also write XYZ, ABC, or it's up to you, whatever you want. After that, para 1. Para 1 will cover brief introduction about article. You can start this para with the slogan, question, amazing fact or figure, any data, any information if has been given in the question paper or statements. It's totally up to you that on which topic you are going to write your article. Okay, so there is no boundary, there is no limitation that you have to go for that particular topic, but during the time of exam it's depend on your question paper, okay, or type of question. Second para should be slightly lengthy comparison of the first and the third para. Okay, first and third para, why it should be lengthy? Because in para second you have to explain about of the causes, it's a fact. You have to present the state, conditions, and then afterward you have to analyze the topic in terms of its consequences, that what would be the result, what would be the consequences. So that's why it should be slightly lengthy. Okay, then third is concerned with the implication. If you are going to write about on conserve water, so what would be the implication and how it should be implicated, what would the solution or measures, and the conclusion. Solution, measure, or conclusion is the same. Okay, so if any problem has started, then in main first para is the problem, here what would be the impact, and third is the solution. Okay, so main thing which you have to consider while writing this article is the correct vocabulary and your good grammar. So you have to work hard towards your vocabulary and the grammar. One article I have posted for you so that you can go through it and prepare your notes. Okay? For any other doubt while writing the article, you can contact me on my given time. If any other problem you will face that you are not able to write the article, you can ask from me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.